Yewo akwenya to tell omo mutie and omo moshe how Ghana ebebo game we enumre. And we will use that knowledge and do the analysis with it. Now yetimi every intentem. Look, Rich, and a game no. Here say what's a Ghana channel. Ya Canada. And yaka based on the analysis of sa picture where mo share ewo Nhyira TV muhu ewo your tactical board no so no a picture of the way a Ghana group a woman no standards no ACTA no krano no say Rich enka under normal circumstances with 3 games to go 3 games in emu 2 aye Ghana home na ba kupe ene ya away and away ni mpo no aye Central African Republic Rich enra Comoros ekosho mu 2 there we should be able to qualify especially see at the top enti the top dada 3 games na kan ene ye ni Mali ye ya ko Central African Republic ni asabe bu Comoros ofie Rich we shouldn't blow this chance under no circumstances and I was see a blow such chance we never. We should win. We should at least qualify for the group. And 3 games now come. Rich, we must take advantage of 2 home games and 1 very winnable game against Central African Republic. I was saying to me before near to me qualify. Say baby away. Rich, say you have positive attitude towards the Blasters. No man say a positive attitude no and qualify my Rich, we've really disappointed. See me anymore. Now, with that said, I think that we've given camp rules. And again now here bono Elias and Timmy Bobby because we did 3 yellow cards. Ibrahim Sulemana, Rich, and Timmy Bobby because Okonya knee injury no. Oko back to Italy. Our question no yare. Then Atakun FIFA enyam for the documentation in menu into no so Timmy Bobby. Into which these 3 players there omunya available somewhere line up na yede bona. Now quickly to the tactical board and let me start from this picture then I will come back. Rich, since Tom Saver by you know, about 8 games for Mali. 8 games, you know, on consider 1 goal.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, do they Gambia national team here?
Yes, that is how tight the team the tier since Obeso you made him. 8 games on consider even 1 goal. And he has gone back to a typical 4-4-2. Say they are winning. This was on lineup against Comoros. And it is expected say they are going to use the same lineup against Ghana. And see, you could see Diarra, Diakite, Fofana, Niakate, Dante, and back 4. No? Then Uber Finfinwa, or both the end of Ali, and Koulibaly on the central midfield, and 2 wingers in Sangari, any Nenena, or the new 2 Ekuano. Ononya the first goal momo against Comoros. Ewo ne wings ho. Then any one of Sangari, any Dombia. It's a typical 4-4-2. From Tima, your friend in Mali, Rich. This is how Mali will want to play as a typical 4-4-2. And to say omo 2 wingers, 4 midfielders, 2 central midfielders, and omo 2 wingers with 2 attackers in Sangari and in Dombia. Ewo honum to say and a team your friend Mali airboying 4-4-2. Now Rich, Senator Mekano, we are fortunate to get the probable 11 of the Blasters. And at this point, I will share your screen as well. Probably you will see it. Say and a probable 11 at here. And Rich, say changes you Baba I will tell you where the changes will come. But trust in Shase we are telling you what is going to happen in Nhyira. Rich, this is your powerful 11. Goalkeeper Benjamin Asare and Maminka a 3-4-2. So when they got 3 back. That is the decision. Per the tactical reviews, video analysis, Blasters na your Omoka and then you got 3-4-3, 3 back system. And the goalkeeper Benjamin Asare back 3 Rich. Outside every other Blasters there was one decision the technical team are still not taking. And you do have a catch.
Okay.
With the 3 back no, on the right, Jonas Ajete. In the middle, Alexander Jiku, who is coming to anchor the back 3 no, and the defensive network. No. Which on the left hand side, a decision must be taken between Jerome Opoku and Sariki Abantia, your friend Salisu. Look, Salisu, you started French league on Bobby. What's the bench? You go make the squad. Into why rusty kakra. Why rusty kakra. Jerome was good against Star. But on your injury, Salisu by. Whether he has shaken it off and ready to play, he is likely say or no, and a coach is no Edelman in the north. And Benjamin Asare impose. Jonas Ajete on the right, Jiku in the middle, Jerome Opoku on the left. The rich and Finfuono. Your right wing back, myself, Jaisiri and Kasarin and put Ariano on the screen. We are talking about it. The right wing back, Amantia for the Calibri and Chi. Rich, the guy is a midfielder. But you have born so many times at right back from the Unity Cup,
Okay.
And then you continue to play as your right wing back. In a position Rich, Sanke, what 3 back in the air? Then Tariq would have played. Because Tariq is very, very good. But Rich, this is what competition gives you. Say play a bit back. Now Obecheon say Ubetimi Ajinedi. And he is very, very good both defensively and offensively. And physically too, he is there. And you know somebody for Rich, they are very, very physical guys. And the Calibri on the right, then Gideon Mensah on your left wing back. Yen Fifino Rich. Yen ni Ibrahim Suleiman. Na yen ni Elisha Owusu. We are only left with who partners Thomas Party, and that is why I brought in this picture. Rich, Abia. Sankeba eni edin eni yen tackle ma party and number 8 Ebi Kazibo is in the right shape to do that job today. But Obeke team no one chair. That is Otono's biggest problem. Say Sanka Eba eni edin is here for your dia. He will do the job. But how familiar and oye with the team?
And also legit.
Yes, on building telepathy, the communication, any of that. It's actually you know about being slow. 1 year, I just want to be bold. But actually, no man kitchen, you know. Salis has been a long-term campaigner for the Blasters. It's the things that look in the absence of Elisha, in the absence of Suleimana, Salis and Partey have played together for a very, very long time. Our Blasters, you know. And if you want to reach, we go in for Salis. Any Abantia, your friend Thomas Partey, who is now fit 100% to play for your Blasters, you know. Yenimu Rich, we are playing on the right, Mo Kudus. On the left, Abantia friend Antoine Semenyo. Then your striker and your captain Jordan Ayew as your striker. So with that knowledge, Rich, you put it on the tactical board. That is what you get. A 3-4-3. Let's say, I want to bring in, you know, very, very well. Okay, good. So, Rich, in a 3-4-3, that is what we are going to get. Your team. And Benjamin Asare, a chiro of Jonas Ajete, Jiku, then Jerome Opoku. Your 2 wing backs, on the right, Caleb Yurenchi, on the left, Gideon Mensah. In the middle, Thomas Partey and Salis. Then Enimo Hotre of Kudus on the right, Semenyo on the left. Then Abanti and Jordan Ayew leading our attack. Rich, the first advantage at Trebak and the Maya and say, Mali able to top there. We will always have 2 men to do the man marking and one person to be free. And you 2 topper, I was a high again. They be on 2 defenders. They can do the man marking on the players. Then one a touch rebia or babua ameafa. And any problem Number 2, Rich, in their 4-4-2, they rely largely on Omo wingers. In Nenemo. And see our wing backs without the ball, they have their responsibility cut out. Say Emma Omo right and left wingers, pushi Emma Omo. Emma ye cross and I say Omo Jubo Emma inside. And see your 2 wing backs they must put blocks on Tima and friend Mali wingers. Rich, let me show you the picture again. Namin Busau. Koulibaly, any DN has been a campaigner on the African soil. No about Ali Okoye, then he has come back to El Ali. Any Koulibaly, Sango for him. As against Salis and Thomas Partey, in this central midfield, battle now I can reach. They shouldn't beat us. No, they shouldn't beat us. No. So a baby idea, I was saying this year almost. A back boot for boot, I was saying this year almost. A back technique on the ball, I was saying this year almost. Now Rich again, in the event say, yeah, narration and variation within the football match. What we do sometimes, and so again, say outnumber Malifon and Fifia, and say we have the luxury to push Jonah Ajete to the right back, push Jiku here, Jerome here, Gideon Mensah left back to deal with ne winger. Then bring in Caleb Reichi, I am saying Yenchi, I am Medford to come and add to Salis and Thomas Partey in these zones. It's a bit 3 midfielders and change into a 4-back in transitions. Say that we can outnumber Mali when we want to play very, very well. Then bring in Kudusmo, any Antoine Semenyo, any Abanti and Jordan. Look, for a team to play 8 games and their coach on consider their rich, it means that they are also very, very tough. And your players must be very, very clinical. Rich, form now, Kudus, any Antoine Semenyo, they are back this international break. Which they can't go back without giving us a go home.
Okay.
They just can't do that.
Yeah, sure.
Now, this is my prediction.
Okay.
It's a year. And your prophecy, and your prediction. But oh, Shabona, you remember me. And the Ghana man of the match will be your goalkeeper Benjamin Asari.
Because Bob Ebebanoso.
Boy, Rich, we will win 1-0.
Okay.
Yes, that's a game now. We will control. We have a control game nipa, and we will score.
Okay.
See, we are Rich. Pressure on the blasters and a test of your resolute and your defense. Into one way on. Oh dear, Ochina Fatula, he will tell us, say, oh, you're poor bono. Not gonna winning 1-0. But Uncle Fosse, Oman Shabwa F and a 2 panic a win. But Rich, for the team and the technical team, young Bassy about flamboyant football, yeah, say we are coming to take the 3 maximum points in the game in him, and that is what the team has planned to do. And to reach a panic, narrow 1-0 defense win for the Blasters. And who stadium, who TV here, Rich, to move to watch nice football from the Blasters. For the majority of the game, Rich, you're able to buka, you're able to defend with our lives to make sure that we never game we Blasters and the Benya not yet me Eddie Abefi. So Rich, that is my analysis and my prediction for the game. All the best to the Blasters, especially goalkeeper Benjamin Asai because I think that today he will be very, very crucial. And then the Ubo game will reach, his stakes will go up.
Alaska Star Enterprise, Brana, Virginia, Makusi, them office war is over in share from you. See, you have a papa.